Per usual, habang nanonood ako ng mga FB Reels, I come across this video by Galactic Shark. Natuwa ako nung makita ko yon kasi number 1, I'm a huge Spider-Man fan, and number 2, I'm a huge Tokusatsu fan. Also, I've only known one Pinoy na gumagawa ng content about Tokusatsu. So we're expanding his video on the Tokusatsu aspect. Noong 1978, nabigyan ng Toei ng license para ipalabas ng Spider-Man sa Japan. And as Galactic Shark mentioned, meron siyang spider car and meron siyang spaceship na nagtra-transform into a giant robot called Leopardon. Technically, back then, Go Ranger and Jaka were not called Super Sentai. Yung sumunod sa dalawa ang kinonsider na unang Super Sentai. Bakit? Kasi sumunod sila sa yapak ni Spider-Man, ang magkaroon ng giant robot. And just like the Japanese Spider-Man, Battle Fever J was a collaboration between Toei and Marvel. Obvious naman sa mga names ng mga members: Battle France, Battle Cossack, Battle Kenya, Miss America, Battle Japan. Parang Captain America lang. This is practically the first attempt to bring Sentai to US audiences bago pa magkaroon ng Power Rangers. So that's it. Kung gusto nyong mapanood yung mga mas bagong Super Sentai, you can watch them dun sa usual recommendation ko. Pero most of them can be found here. Peep! Most Tokusatsu is there, even non-Japanese ones.